Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner of the screen. Tap the crescent moon icon to immediately enable Do Not Disturb. Tap and hold that crescent moon to reveal quick options for 1 hour until evening or to open settings. This action silences calls, alerts, and notifications while your iPhone is locked. You will still see badges on apps, and audio playback continues unless you lower the volume manually. Open Settings and tap Focus, then select Do Not Disturb to create a schedule. Tap Add Schedule or Automation to choose times, locations, or app triggers for automatic activation. Set a start time and an end time to run nightly or during work hours. You can also allow calls from favorites, repeat callers, or specific contact groups to bypass Do Not Disturb when necessary. Each schedule can show a custom home screen and hide specific notification badges. Open the Contacts app and edit a contact to enable emergency bypass for calls or messages. This lets that contact ring and notify you even during Do Not Disturb. In Settings, allow repeated calls so a second call within 3 minutes will come through. Also permit time-sensitive notifications for apps that mark urgent alerts as time-sensitive. Review your allowed notifications list to ensure critical apps and people can reach you during focus times.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.